In this video, I'm going to show you how Shift Lock works on Roblox Mobile. So if you're trying to enable it on your phone, here's what you need to know. First, on PC, it's simple. Open Roblox Settings, turn on Shift Lock, and then press the Shift key to lock your camera so you can move while aiming with your mouse. But on mobile, Roblox does not have a global Shift Lock setting, so there's no system-wide option you can turn on in the app. Here's the important part. On mobile, Shift Lock depends completely on the game developer. Some games add a Shift Lock button for mobile players, and some don't. For example, in certain games, you won't see Shift Lock at all. But in games like Blox Fruits, you'll see a Shift Lock button on your screen, and you can tap it to enable it. So if the button is there, Shift Lock is supported. If it's not there, that game doesn't support it on mobile, and you can't force it in settings. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.